Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today we are unboxing a box. Well, technically it's two boxes, but I finally got my hands on the Everlane dresses and jumpsuits box from Helpsy Source. So I'm going to show you what they sent me, and if you want to see, make sure you stick around. So yeah, I've been trying to get my hands on this box for I don't know, since they started selling Everlane. And every time I go to buy it, it's sold out. It sells out so quick. And not too long ago, I was at the Everlane warehouse and I could physically see the bin where the dresses and jumpsuits were sitting. And I'm like, okay, I see them. I know they're going to go in stock soon. And so I was watching the site like a hawk. I got my hands on a box. So I'm so excited to show you what's in here. And it's actually this box and one other, so we're gonna do one at a time. But if you like reseller content, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. Whenever I purchase a new online liquidation box or like a secondhand box, I always come on this channel and I show you what comes inside. So my raw reaction, we look at it together. I go on, I list everything on at least eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and I come back 90 days later to talk about if I made a profit, how much I made, and whether or not I'd buy another one based on my actual results. So hit that like button really quick if you like reseller content. That lets me know to make more videos like this. And let's get right into it. So this box on the site was $920 for 40 pieces. Now, I do have an affiliate code that thankfully they let me use it myself, which is great. But then you can also use it too. The code is oh yeah. So if you use oh yeah when you check out any box on the site, it'll give you 10% off your entire order. So I took 10% off this box, making my total $828. If there are 40 pieces in here, which there should be, it's $20.70 per piece. So a little hefty on the price, but like Everlane dresses and stuff can sell $75 to $100 or more. So I'm not like, I still feel good about the inventory that I got. So let's open it up. I was confused when they brought two boxes. One of them is open just because I'm like, I only, ordered the one, and why is there two boxes? Just to realize that they're both the same. So I haven't actually seen it, but I'll actually have to cut open the other one. This one is the one that's unsealed, but we'll get right into it. Yeah. Here is the first box. Okay. I am expecting that everything in here is new with tag or new without tag. I also expect that there are going to be probably some duplicates, just because with these boxes, that does end up happening. If it's not too many of the exact same thing, I don't really mind though, because it makes it easier for me to list the stuff. So let's get going here. Okay, this is a wrap dress, size 00. Okay, so I can't really decipher the code right now, but this is a midi wrap dress in like a light green, and it says the retail price is $100. So I imagine I'll get at least 50 to 60 on a dress like this. So not too shabby start. Ooh, this is a sweatshirt dress, or like a pant knit dress, which is great for winter. This one's a size large. Okay, so it's definitely oversized, and it's got kind of wide sleeves. Yeah, this is lined with like pant material, so that's going to be very comfy for winter. This one's a size large. I can see there's probably some more of these same dress in here. Yeah, here's another one. This one is also a large. Okay. There's no tags. Both of those are new without tag. This one, again with the coding, I'm not sure, but it's a size 00, and it's like a button front. I like this color for fall. And this one does have the tag attached. This one might be the same dress. This one is a size 0. And this one does not have a tag. This one looks like the tag might have been like ripped off, but it is new without tags still. I'll be able to list it that way. That one's a size 0. This one might be the same. Might as well just get them all out of the way. Yeah, this one's a size 0 new with tag. There we go. Okay, that's all the green I see for now. So let's move on. This one's black. Ooh, it's a midi. So this up here is like a jersey knit, and down here it's more of a woven material. I can't tell you the style, but that's okay. I can tell you size extra large. This is actually the front. That's a nice dress. It's very like beachy, but also it's black, so it doesn't have to be beachy. Ah, here's another wrap dress. These aren't the easiest to show because they're like not wrapped up, but I like this color. This one's a size 2. It'll look way better when I put it on the dress form, I swear. $100 MSRP. I think that's the same as that first one we saw, just a different color. This one too. This one is a size 2 as well. Same wrap dress. It's the pink one. So this is actually a slip dress. This one is a size 2. It's a midi. It's a really silky like slip dress. And the Japanese Go Weave slip dress. There we go. Oh, you know what? I got one of these dresses, I think in my Everlane secondhand box. I think. I haven't sold it yet, but I like already have the listing built, so that'll be easy to list. This one is, oh, this one's like a shirt dress. Yeah, short sleeve like shirt dress, size large. I like that. The buttons go all the way down. Lots of black in here. Maybe some duplicates of that shirt dress. Let's see. The day tripper shirt dress. So this is the same dress as that other one. This one's also a large. This one just happens to have the name of it on, which is good because that'll make it easier for me to find both of those. This one is that Japanese Go Weave slip dress again. This one doesn't have a tag on it, but it's a different size. Size 4. Size 4 on that one. This almost feels like denim a little bit. Kinda. Oh, okay. We have our first jumpsuit. It's unbuttoned here on the sides, but the buttons are there, so that's good. This is, I don't know what the name of it is. It's a size 00. Oh, here's the front. So this is the front. And this is, it almost feels like denim or like chambray maybe. I'm sure it's just cotton because everything Everlane is cotton or linen. No stretch. It's probably just cotton. T-shirt dress. T-shirt dress, size small. No tag on this one. This is a midi. This is like a t-shirt material, but it's a midi, like crew neck dress. So very casual, more like loungewear type piece. This stuff was also neatly folded, and I totally just made a mess over here. This is a size medium. So this is the same as those gray ones we saw in the beginning. This one is just black instead, size medium, new without tag. This one's a size 12, the Japanese Go Weave high neck tank dress. This one has a price tag of $78 on it. So shorter dress, and this one has a high neck. The other one was more, so it's still like the same slip dress material, but the other one was more like spaghetti strap. Okay, 2 more in this box, but I think they're the same. So this is a size medium of that same black dress. And yeah, this is the same dress, I can tell you just by the way it feels. Also size medium. Okay, so I'm just going to count really quick and see how many are in this box, and then I'll go ahead and open the other one. Okay, I counted 19 in this box, so we want box number 2 to have 21. Okay, this box is completely sealed, so we have to cut this one open. And I see fabric. Let's not cut through the fabric. There we go. All right. Here's box number 2. Dig in this pink color right on top. Oops. Okay, this is a size 2. And it's like a button front tank dress. It does come with a belt that is not attached at the moment. Just have to make sure those stay together. Okay. I think this is going to be the same dress. This one's a size 10, but yes, it's the same dress with the belt. I think this is that pink wrap dress we saw before. Yeah, this one's a size 00. New with tag, by the way. This is the same wrap dress in green, size 8. I've got a few of the like sweatshirt dresses here. Large. Actually, I think all of these are the same. This one's a medium. This one. This one's also a medium. I mean, like, these are literally all the same, so I'm not going to show you. This one's a large. Okay, so a little size variety is good. I think there's some more of the black ones in here too. Here's another shirt dress, like the button front shirt dress. This one's a small. It's kind of oversized for a small though. I do have some more of the pink wrap dresses here. This one is a size 2. There's like fabric everywhere. Oh my gosh. And this one, oh, I saw the tag. Where'd it go? I'm gonna have to get all these hung up so they can de-wrinkle because Rachel doesn't steam usually. This one's a size 2 as well. Yeah, this one's also a size 2. I am kind of glad though that there are so many wrap dresses because I have to pull out my dress form for the wrap dresses and I won't do it unless I have like a whole stack of them. So hopefully I will get to getting at it. This is a nice like smocked tiered maxi dress. Maybe it's a midi. Extra small. No tag on this one. New without tag, I would say. Here's that same green wrap dress again. This one's a size 6. We haven't seen this one yet. This is size large. This is a very gauzy, like it's sheer. It's almost like maybe a swim cover-up material. I wouldn't be surprised if this is listed as a swim cover-up on the website. We'll have to see. Okay, here's another sweatshirt dress. Actually, there's a few. I'm just going to get them out of the way. This one's a medium. And I think this is the last one. This is a medium also. Okay. This looks like a t-shirt dress again, size extra large. Yeah, this is one of those like crew neck, split down here. Here's another one of those beachy cover-up things. This one's a size small. Still very oversized for a small. This is ribbed. Ribbed tank dress, size small. Yeah, so this is much more form-fitting. And one more last little dress in here. This one is a size 0. This is that green shirt dress thing. Okay, so I'm expecting 21 in this box because the last box I only counted 19. So let's see. All right, so I counted 20 in this box, but I went back to the first box and I counted that one again, and there actually are 20 in there too. 2 of them must have got stuck together or something. So I do have exactly 40 pieces, which is as expected. My initial thoughts. There are some duplicates, not a ton. Most of the duplicates, except for those like sweatshirt dresses, most of them are in different sizes. So it's kind of borderline between like duplicates make my job easier versus duplicates mean that I have a lot of the same thing and they might be harder to sell. So I think this one's kind of right on the edge there. It will be a lot easier for me to list these. Hopefully I can, you know, sell them off. But otherwise, I mean, they're as expected. I think everything, aside from being a little wrinkly, like I'll have to just kind of get everything cleaned up and ready to list. So I'm hopeful. I'm optimistic on this one. Now, typically with liquidation, like new with tag liquidation or overstock type stuff, I want to double my money. So I paid, what did I say? $8.28, I think, with the discount. So I paid $8.28 for the box, and I want to make that $8.28 back plus $828 profit. So here's the thing. Any other 40-piece box that I buy and maybe I pay $300 for it, it's still 40 pieces, but I would be making like $300 off of a $300 box. Hopefully this one is a higher profit yielding box because I spent a little more, but it's still the same amount of pieces. And if I can double my money, the double will be higher. But fingers crossed, the only way to tell is for me to get everything listed and come back in 90 days and let you guys know. So definitely subscribe if you want to see. I will come back in 90 days and give you an update. Let me know in the comments if you've purchased this box recently or in the past, how it's done for you. What do you think of the price point on this? If you think I can double my money, and hit that like button on the way out. It really, really helps me out a lot. That's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.